Worried about unauthorized access to your Bybit account? Let's change your fund password right now to safeguard your crypto. First, open your Bybit app, then tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you find a security option. Tap on it. This section allows you to manage various security features for your account. Now, look for Fund Password. You will likely see options to change or set your fund password. Tap on Fund Password to proceed. The app will now ask you to verify your identity. You'll need to enter your old fund password in the first field if you've forgotten it. Tap on the Forgot Fund Password link and follow the recovery steps. Next, enter your new, strong fund password in the new fund password field. And then re-enter it in the Confirm New Fund Password field. Make sure it's different from your login password and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Bybit will send you a verification code via SMS or email. Depending on your settings, enter the verification code in the designated field to confirm your identity. Once the code is entered, your fund password will be successfully changed. You've now taken an important step in securing your Bybit account. Stay safe and happy trading.